Hello traders, this is Umar with you. Such a volatile trading session. All was good till 1 and after 1:15 we had a big fall from 15,780 levels to 15,550 levels. That's almost 200 points fall in just 20 minutes. Maybe our market was waiting for European markets to open, and when we saw European markets opening in red, we also started falling. Yesterday I started the video saying not to short the market, and I still stand by that. This is just a overreaction. We may resume the uptrend going forward. Despite such a high volatile trading session, India VIX moved down by 3.15%. So the VIX is now almost at around 14.5 levels. So we still believe the bulls are intact and we may see a further up move. In yesterday's video we mentioned there is a OI built up in 15,800 call levels, and those are the smart people who have sold 15,800 call option. I am sure they would have made some good money. And let me show you what we have observed here in the charts. So if you see here Nifty, if you see here Nifty chart, this is a 5 minutes chart of Nifty for the last 3-4 trading session, that is from 3rd of June till 9th of June. Almost 4 to 5 trading session, Nifty has been in the range of between 15,600 to 15,800. Actually today we have touched a lifetime high, but it couldn't sustain and we saw a big fall, right? And today, yesterday's video we told 15,700 could be a good support based on 7th June price action. On 7th June market gapped up and came all the way down, and it tested 15,700 levels, and it retraced and it went back. On 8th of June it gapped up and it came all the way back to 15,700 level, and it retraced, it went back. And today it gapped up, it came down, but immediately it reversed and it touched the all-time high of 15,800, and after 1 o'clock, before European markets could open, we saw a big fall and almost I think 200 points fall. And actually at one point of the time it has actually breached 15,700 levels, then it has breached 15,600, and even we have breached 15,500 levels also. Yeah, today's low is around 15,560. yeah, today's low is around 15,560 levels. Then we retraced. Now in today's price action, if we would have closed above 15,700, then we could have tested tomorrow or in the coming days or next weekend 15,800. Now tomorrow we have to close above 15,700 levels. In case we are not closing above 15,700, that is this level, this is the area. In case we are not closing above 15,700 levels, then we could slip and go below to 15,500 levels. That is the second June low. So that is going to be a big range. We are going to be in a range of around 15,500 to 15,800. So that's what we told yesterday as well, that there is a big range between 15,500 to 16,000, but still we stand by that. Still the range is between 15,500 to 15,600 levels. In case the market breaches this low, yesterday's low, that is around 15,600 or 15,500 levels, then we can see a drop to 15,500 levels. Market should retrace here. That is what the data shows, that is what the OI data shows. In case we are not retracing, then we have to work out where the market next support is. So for now 15,500 to 15,800 is a good range. And what I can see from the OI data is that even in tomorrow's expiry, that people have written 15,800 call. Yeah. See, from after 1 o'clock they have written good amount of calls, that is 15,800 calls, and since the market actually reversed in the last half an hour, we can see a drop in that one. So these are the weak hands, they have exited. And on June 17th expiry, there is a good amount of call writing. Actually they have written good amount of calls in 17th June expiry. So we can assume that 15,800 is going to be a good resistance for this week. This week is almost done, so tomorrow we are going to next week I am saying, that is 17th June expiry, we can see 15,000 till 17th June, we can see 15,800 as a good resistance. In case it is broken, in case this 15,800 is broken, then we can see a further up move till maybe 16,000. Actually, if we have to go to 16,000, we have to first cross 15,800. That's what this data shows. Not only 15,800, even 15,900. Let us see here. Even 15,900 on 17th June expiry, people are writing more calls. So this could be a good resistance going forward. So let's see the OI statics, and this is for Bank Nifty. We'll get back to that later. And on Nifty, that is, yeah, tomorrow is expiry, people are written 15,800 call, massive number of calls. This one, yeah, 1 second. Yeah, this one. So this 15,800, they have written good amount of calls. So we can expect the market to expire below 15,800 tomorrow. That's, and for 17th June also 15,800 is a good resistance. So going forward, we can short the market for the short term, I believe, not for the long term, but for short term you can sell maybe 15,800 calls, and of course do it at your own risk and responsibility. So this is what data shows for Nifty. And for Bank Nifty, 10th June expiry, 35,500 is going to be a good resistance, and on 17th June again 35,500 is going to be a good resistance. So everybody, all the players, retailers, FII, we haven't got the FII data till now, and I'm sure they would have sold in huge amount. So let's see what happens tomorrow. So I hope you understood what the data says. So for the short run, markets are going to be in range bound, that is between 15,500 to 15,800 levels. In case market breaches 15,500 levels on the downside, we will have to rethink and we will have to rework what to do next, right? At the same time, if the market has to move up, or if the market has to touch 16,000, we have to break the resistance of 15,800 first, then we can touch 15,600. If 15,800 is breached, then that is going to be a support, and 16,000 is going to be a good resistance. And let me show you something else. Yeah, this is 1 second. Yeah, what we have done today, what I have done is I have actually shorted 15,800. You can see this is the sensible back end system, like a sensible back end position. So I have shorted 300 quantities of 15,800 call, and last week I did a 15,500 straddle on July expiry, and look at the profits, almost 13,000 profit in just 4 to 5 trading session. And of course everything was working in our favor India VIX dropped drastically, and we did a good profit. Not only me, even beginners would have made a good profit, because this market today only they are seeing a violent move, that is 200 points move. Earlier, for the last 10-15 days, we didn't see any big violent move. So today was a big high volatile trading day. So I believe if you are a positional trader, you would have made good money. I don't know about intraday trading. I don't do intraday trading. I am sure they would have made some losses also, intraday traders. So we don't have to worry about intraday, since we are a positional traders. We'll just focus on options and how to sell options and how to make extra money in options. That's what we are going to do, and that's what this channel is about, right? So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Take care. Goodbye.